365 Science Adventures, the podcast where curiosity meets discovery. Every day, we explore fascinating science facts and answer the questions you've always wondered about. Today's topic is:
how does an ant colony work? The tiny city beneath our feet? Beetle. Noah was lying in the grass watching a long line of ants march across the ground. They carried tiny crumbs, leaves, and even pieces of food much bigger than their own bodies. Where are they all going? He wondered. Just then, a tiny voice spoke up. To our colony, of course. Noah's eyes widened. Had he just heard an ant talk? He leaned in closer, and sure enough, one of the ants stood on its back legs, waving its tiny antennae. We ants don't just wander around, you know, the ant said proudly. We have a whole underground city where everyone has a job and works together. Noah grinned. A city of ants? That sounds amazing. Can you tell me how it works? Of course, said the ant. Let me take you on a tour of the colony. The queen, the heart of the colony. The ant led Noah toward a tiny hole in the ground. First, meet the queen, the ant said as they entered a large underground chamber. Noah gasped. At the center of the room sat a huge ant, much bigger than the others. The queen is the most important member of our colony, the ant explained. Her job is simple but very important. She lays all the eggs. That's it? Noah asked. That's a big job, the ant said. Without her, we wouldn't have any more ants to build tunnels, collect food, or protect the colony. Noah nodded. So the queen is like the mother of all the ants? Exactly.